Okay, now let's see, check how to do this type of question using completing square, right? Actually, when you got this type of question, it is good to do with the quadratic formula, not the completing square, right? Completing square little bit difficult to use this type of question, because now to make x square on value is 1, here x square has 2, no, has a coefficient, it has 2. If you need to make here 1, you should divide by 2. So you should divide this one by 2, this one by 2, this one by 2. So here when you divide by 2, it will be decimal, right? So that's why when you have this type of situation, it's better to use quadratic formula. But here we have to learn completing square, no? So that's why I will show you doing this question with the completing square method, right? Okay, now what we need to do here, person, we need to get x square coefficient as 1, right? So what I will do, I will divide this all the terms by 2, right? This all the terms I will divide by 2. So here I will get to 2 cut, no? So x square, here I will not divide, I will not get the decimal answer, so I will keep as fraction 5 divided by 2, it's okay. Then minus 8 divided by 2, that means 4, and here will be 0, right? Now what I need to do, right? You know, please check my previous example. I explained more than this on that question. Now I need to show you if you got this type of question, what we should do. So that's why please check that question to understand this method, and then check this question, right? Okay, now what I need to do, this minus 4, this value I need to bring to this side. So right, I will do that. I will bring this minus 4 to here, it will become plus 4, this minus, no, it will become plus 4, right? Now what I need to do, same method, but this value of the x, not x square, coefficient of x, not the x square, this value minus 5 over 2, divide, you should divide by 2. I will not get minus this sign, because if you get that sign, it's also okay, correct, right? If you not get the sign, it's also doesn't matter, because we are get the square of this, no? So if you get minus or plus, doesn't matter, it is okay. So you will get 5 over 2, just value 5 over 2. Then this is, you should divide by 2. Now how we divide this one by 2, right? This is the idea. 5 over 2, no, keep 5 over 2 here, and this division, now here fraction divided by a number, so convert this one also has a fraction. Here just 2, no, you can put here down 1, because if there's no any number denominator, now for example think 5, there's no denominator, so you can think here 1, like that. If any number, if you have no denominator, that means it's 1. So I thought here 1. Now how we divide this one, I need to divide by 2, so this is fraction, divide by fraction. What we do, we keep the first fraction same way, this division I change to multiplication, and this one I change upside down, that means get the reciprocal, right? Up number go to down, down number go to up, numerator denominator change, right? Now what the answer, now here multiplication, no, very simple, 5 into 1 5, 2 into 2 4, right? Now what I need to do, this value, right, get the square of this, right, the square of this, right? So square of this mean, 5 square mean 25, 4 square mean 16, right? Then this value I need to add this side and this side, both side I can add. So I will add 25 over 16, and I will add here also 25 over 16, right? Then now you know how to do here, what the get the square root of this, that means next what the sign of this, it's minus, what the square root of this, it's very simple, 5 over 4. Then close the bracket and square. This is like just a method, remember, just only procedure, square root of this, sign of the second term, and square root of this, and close the bracket and get the square of that. And here, how to add these two? Right, again like here I can put here 1. Now I need to make same denominator now, because why, here you should add, so you can't add without same denominator. Here 16, here 1, no, so I need to multiply here by 16, here also multiply by 16, then you can get the same denominator, right? So here will be 16, and here 16 into 4, it will be 64, right? Here will be 16 and here 25, right? Now what we can do, here same denominator, no, so now you can add these two. 64 plus 25 mean 89, right? Here now what we should do, right, here is square, no, we know we put the square root here, square root here, so then square to square root cut. Here you will have x minus 5 over 4, and here will be, now 16 square root you know how to get, 16 square root you know how to get. How? 16 square root means 4. 89 square root they given here, right? Normally when you have this type of question like this, they will give, right? Here 89 is square root, they tell 9.43, so I will get that value. But the square root of 89 I will write for the 9.43. right, now how we solve? And not only that, here remember, now any number 9, now for example square root of 9, it is not only 3, plus or minus 3, no, right? 25 square root means that also plus or minus 5, and normally when we have square root of 25 we get plus, only plus number, but remember that's the correct answer. Square root of 25 means 5 plus or minus 5. So here also like that, square root of this value at the 89 over 16 is plus or minus this answer. Now very simple, x, I will bring this minus 5 over 4 to this side, and I will write one value of this, right? Here I will write 9.43 over 4, and I will bring this number to this side, it will become plus 5 over 4, right? And O, one value. Now look very carefully, here two values I have, no, plus 943 over 4 or minus 943 over 4. I wrote first here plus value and I brought this value to this side. I did that two things together. Now here again I will get the minus value of this, right? Then again x equal minus 9.43 over 4. When I bring this value to here, it will become plus 5 over 4, right? Now what the thing we should do, here we add, here x equal, when you add this it will be 14.43 over 4. That means here same denominator, no, so you can add these numerators, that means 9.43 plus 5, so it will be 14.43. Or here will be, how we do, we have same denominator, no, here, so again we get the higher number sign, big number sign, this one minus, and from big we get the difference of these two, 9.43 and 5 difference is, it will be 4.43, right? Now final one, but this one divided by 4, it will be 3 point, how many 4 are there in 14, it is 3, then 2 come to here, 24, in 24 how many 4s? 6, and 3, there is no any 4, so 0. So this is the one answer, O. And here when you divide, 4 divided 4 mean 1, again 4 divided 4 mean 1, in 3 there is no any 4, so 0. So this is the next answer, right, for the x, right? Now I need to show you this completing square when you have this type of question. That's why I did this question. Normally remember, if you get this type of question, it's better to use quadratic formula.